Welcome to managing your Instagram and TikTok feeds. Let's explore the powerful tools to organize and customize your social content. On the Manage Feeds page, you can see all your existing feeds. Click Add New Feed to create a feed and choose Instagram or TikTok as your source. Need to manage multiple feeds? Check the boxes to select feeds and use bulk actions. Deactivate, duplicate, or delete. Want to customize how your feeds look? Click on any feed name to enter edit mode. Here you'll see the full customization interface. The live preview shows exactly how customers will see your feed. The trash icon lets you delete feeds instantly. Just click and confirm. Be careful with this action as it's permanent. Serving global customers? Use the translation feature in your sidebar. Toggle on General Information and Media Content to translate feeds automatically. To set up translations for specific feeds, click Manage Translation on any feed. This opens the translation interface where you can select which languages to translate into. To install feeds on your store, click Install Feed. For OS 2.0 themes, copy the feed ID and preview. For vintage themes, copy the code to your theme editor. Congratulations! You now know how to completely manage your Instagram and TikTok feeds like a pro. Thank you for watching.